Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters, Hyderabad. Are you looking for the best data science course in Ameerpet to build a successful career in the IT industry? If yes, this video is for you. Today, data science is one of the most in-demand career fields, with opportunities across healthcare, banking, finance, e-commerce, manufacturing, telecommunications, and many other industries. Companies are looking for professionals who have strong practical skills and real-world project experience. At Coding Masters, our focus is not just on teaching concepts. We help students build industry-ready skills through hands-on projects, practical assignments, interview preparation, resume building, and continuous mentor support. Our learning approach covers essential technologies such as Python, SQL, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data visualization, and generative AI, helping students gain the confidence required for today's competitive job market. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or planning to switch your career into IT, having the right guidance and practical knowledge can make a huge difference in your career journey. Attend our free demo session to understand the complete learning roadmap, practical training methodology, career opportunities, and placement guidance. You will get all the details during the demo session. Call 897-726-2627. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on data science, artificial intelligence, career guidance, and the latest IT industry updates. Thank you.